you know that the newest trend are silicone catsuits? And I've already shown some on my channel, but today I have, oh it's already heavy, I have a special one. It is for women's sizes. It's smaller and it is shaped for boobs, and I'm going to show you this one from FeturaX. They do not only have catsuits but also something like these masks. Going to show you more of them later on. Now let's unpack this. Alright, it's the black one and I'm going to unroll it. There we go. I have to weight it because you can do weight training with it basically. You can already see that the booty is pre-shaped and 3D, which is going to be really cool, and I'm going to change. Alright, here I am. I squeezed into it. It is a neck entry, so yes, you have to squeeze through the neck. There are no zippers, though FeturaX says on their homepage if you want to have a zipper option you should write them an email, so do so if you're really interested in that. And what should I say? It looks fantastic. I mean, it's just great. I can't find any flaws. It's really just hugging my figure and enhancing it and making it even better. I've already shown you that the booty was like pre-molded, so it's really giving a nice butt shape. With the boobs the same, so you don't need any inlays as you would need with latex to form your figure. You don't need any, I don't know, push-up bras or something. The suit itself has a figure and it gives you its figure and you can wear it and just look great. I also love the collarbones that are molded and basically 3D modeled, because they make just a nice look, and I love collarbones anyway. It was a bit harder to squeeze into it because it's not too big, so it is really for small size for women. You can order it in 2 different sizes, and what can I say? It's still like stretchy. I can still move around and move every part of my body, so it's really comfortable. It's basically a matte look. I've just taken a washcloth to wipe it down and let it dry, but of course I can shine it up. This is the shiner that FeturaX sends with it and recommends to use, so I am going to use it and try to shine the suit up. I think it works. I shined it up. And considering 2 looks, of course, shining it up is more work, and you will always find a piece of lint sticking to it. Because, yeah, hair and dust likes to stick to silicone apparently. I had to learn that too. So it's always handy to have a white cloth to wipe it off. And yeah, that's the shiny look. I like it too, though I have to say I also like the matte look. Silicone is a great alternative if you have a latex allergy, for example, and you want to wear catsuits or something like this too. I already got the feedback that people with latex allergies said yes, that's a cool thing, so check it out. Also, of course, it is heavier than latex. I think this is around about 4 kilograms. It's 4mm thick, so it is simply more than latex. If you want to feel more weight, more enclosure, more restriction, then this might be something for you too. And of course also if you simply want to try something new and like have experience with latex for years already and say, yay, that looks great, I do have a discount code. You can check it out in the description text and you get some % off. And a small discount if you use my link down there. And as I already said, in comparison to latex, it gives you basically a figure that adds to your own body and does not push it down or makes the booty look flat or something like that because of the 3D modeling here. So these are the differences to latex. Everyone always asks, how does it feel compared to latex? Well, it's a bit more squishy initially, and of course it's thicker, so it's, as I said, heavier, more restricting. It is probably more durable than latex when it comes to destroying it, simply because it's 4mm thick. Something else I received from FeturaX were these gloves. They are a perfect fit to the catsuit, and I want to show them to you close up first because they have nails. Pretty cool. I'm simply going to put this on my hands and then put the gloves on. Something else I learned, to do it until your fingertips, because otherwise your fingertips will get stuck in the silicone. And now getting it to them. Here we go. I can already feel the vacuum on my fingertips. I feel like I have paws now. By the way, they're also available as paws and with colored nails. Alright, and now more lube to shine them up. So you're going to try and spread it like this. This is the final look with gloves. They look awesome. I mean, they're a bit creepy with the fingernails, but I think that's a really cool look. And yeah, it's a bit hard to touch something now, but it's all about the look. FeturaX does not only do gloves and catsuits, but they also have a range of silicone masks. They are also for women and smaller head circumferences. So if you're into hoods, you should definitely check them out. I think they're super cute. I mean, these ears, or whatever these are, ears, they're super cute and squishy. And I also love this design. There will be another video on my channel in which the masks are going to be featured in future. Alright, I'm going to show this to you. You can, for example, detach the mask of the mask, part mask, for example. And it's a bit more difficult with the hands, of course. And here we got some stuff where you can insert a tube. But yeah, as I said, I'll show this again in another video. Now it's open and I can't close it with the gloves. Do I don't know. Anyway, what do you think of the catsuit? And what do you think of the gloves and the masks? Tell me in the comments. Check out the description text for the link to the FeturaX webpage and my discount code. I had a lot of fun presenting you this suit, and I still love when I look in the mirror how it looks on me and how well it fits. So yeah, leave a thumbs up. I should make a gif out of them. Leave a thumbs up and leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.